gotta keep going. We gotta keep trying. Yeah.
Smile. Star. Star. Sun. Smiling sun.
No. Wait. You gotta sit still. Yeah, yeah.
Let's make a tent.
You want me? Let's make a tent.
Double T.
It's a camera, huh?
The letter T
Here's
says
the wall.
toes.
Wait. You can't. You need to go get another sheet. Scott, let go.
Okay, we got another one.
T.
Let go. Mommy's trying to make you a tent. We're trying to make you a tent. Let go. It's mine.
Terrain.
It's mine. No. It's mommy's. Let go. Nalia. Sit on it.
Turtles. 2 turtles. What does the letter P say?
The letter P says puppy.
That's right.
Ready.
What sound does the letter Q
You're a big baby.
I know that one. The letter Q says quack.
Okay, my turn.
No.
Yes, it's mine.
No.
Good. Let's do it again.
The letter Q says
Yeah, this is mommy's.
quack.
Can I use it now? Is it my turn? Thank you. No, it's supposed to be my turn. What are you doing?
What does the letter R say?
Oh my god.
Or
Run.
Like literally,
Let's do
she's
it
got.
again.
She doing nuts?
what does the letter
I don't know
R
how to
say?
get her out.
Or
Rabbit.
good.
Careful, careful.
What sound does the letter S make?
Okay.
Are you stuck?
Star.
Okay.
Okay, we're
That's
coming.
right. Can you name a word with this sound? T. T. T.
Maybe.
I
Where
know
are you,
that
Nadia? Nadia, where are you?
That's
Wait,
right.
wait, wait,
Very good.
one.
No, this is Daddy's. This is Nalia's.
U. Big U.
We need like one more trick. No.
The
Daddy's
letter
trying to fix
U
it
makes
so you
2
can play.
sounds.
You're gonna be tucked in the couch.
We need like one more trick.
One more chair? We're trying to recline her around?
No. No, just get
Umbrella.
one from the Nalia, stop. You don't
Nadia,
want,
it's a tent. You're gonna
No.
play phantom.
Umbrella.
no, this is Daddy's tent. It's a house.
Look, it's a house. We're building a house. Look. Come on.
Unicorn.
Oh.
Okay, we need another chair.
U.
Hey.
Unicycle. Unusual.
Well, let's get chairs. Let's get another chair. Or can we use the little corner drawing thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Mom, you gotta build the other wall. Don't pull it down. Don't pull it down.
The letter V says the
You ready?
vase.
Mom's gonna put another wall up.
Violin. Violin.
Oh wow.
V.
Oh, that's cool.
V. Valentine. Vegetables. A variety of vegetables.
Can you pin it to the wall? Nadia, don't pull on
W.
it.
Big W.
Don't pull on it. Nadia, don't pull on it.
The
Don't
letter
break your
W
house.
says
This is your house. Knock, knock.
water.
Can I come in? Okay.
Water.
Knock, knock. Can I come in? Oh.
Whistle.
Can I come in?
No.
What?
Please?
Whistle.
I just want to see your house. Can I see your house?
Whoa! Whoa! Mommy has to see this.
Hey, Mommy, come in.
Wagon.
I think she's coming in the back door.
Wagon.
Look over there.
Wow! Okay.
X. Big X.
Oh, wow. This is a nice little living room.
The letter X says X. 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 X-ray.
Ooh, how pretty. You even have a kitchen
Exit.
and a table.
X. Exit. X. Box. X.
Oh, whoa!
Oh, wow, pretty.
X. Box.
Ooh.
Box in an X-ray.
You like it? You can color in here.
Uh-oh,
Mikey,
Mikey.
Little y. The letter Y says yes.
Oh, what happened? Something happened. It's
Yes.
stuck. Okay, thank you.
Yellow.
Mommy,
Yeah.
sit.
Okay.
Yellow.